Hey, what's up guys? Right, I'm currently located here in Ho'opili, and one of the main reasons why I'm making this video here with my son is because we're excited to show you a little bit about what's going on, especially in the townhome section over at Pōhaku Estates. And yes, they're offering $80,000 in some of the units below what they were normally priced for. Some of them $50,000, some of them $40,000, and they didn't weed out your $10,000 closing costs, allowing you to have the lowest interest rates here in Ho'opili at averaging about 5.25% all the way to 5.5%. And so we don't really want to bore you, but before I get started, Landon here is going to tell us a little bit about what's going on here within the community. Landon, what you know about the community? What do you see around you?
As my dad mentioned, there's brand new parks and swimming pools here, upcoming high school, upcoming middle school, upcoming 3 total elementary schools, and my favorite, which is the jogging path to go jogging all around the community.
You got nearby exit 3, which is just minutes away from this entire community. And then you got your Costco's, you got your Walmart, you got Wet and Wild, you got Kamakana Ali'i, which is the largest mall, outdoor mall here over at the west side of the island. And there's so much more businesses like restaurants, Shibuya, hanging out with me, so let's go.
Alright. Right now, I am currently located in Pōhaku Estates. And as I mentioned, we are currently going to look at some model units. So let's not bore you. And let's check it out. What's up guys? So this is the deep plan here in Alana. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 full bath with 2 open parking stalls. And it is a walk-up unit, so let's go check it out. Welcome to your home. And here on the second floor, we have an open kitchen layout. Brand new stainless steel appliances. And look how beautiful this microwave is. I don't even think it's a microwave, it's an air fryer. And they have soft close cabinets. Backsplashes. It really makes it look modern. And look how huge this refrigerator is. And right now, this is all included of the price of $640,000. Take a look at this bar counter. It's pretty big. This couch is so comfy. And on the second floor, this is where the primary bedroom is. And here is your first half bathroom. Come on into the primary bedroom. And on my left-hand side, oh my God, this closet is so big. I love the view from the primary bedroom and the primary bathroom with a step-in shower. Let's go head out to the 3rd floor. But first of all, nice balcony space. Now I'm entering the 3rd floor. This 3rd floor has 2 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom. And there's a closet right behind you. Let's enter into the 1st bedroom. Look how cool this bed is. It's pretty awesome. This is the size of the bathroom on the 3rd floor. This is the last bedroom. Right now, they're offering $60,000 in discount prices, $10,000 in closing cost credits, it's 5.25% interest rate. Yay! Bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 2 parking stalls. If you're interested in this home, reach out to the guy in the back of the camera. He's my dad. Forcing me to work. It's pretty annoying.